Welcome to our quick guide on how Sri Lankans can check Dubai tourist visa status online. If you're planning a trip to Dubai, it's essential to know the status of your tourist visa. We'll walk you through the process step by step using the Dubai ICP Smart Services File Validity Checker. Let's get started. Checking the validity of your Dubai visa before booking your flight ticket is crucial due to the prevalence of scam companies offering fake visa services. These fraudulent entities often deceive unsuspecting travelers by providing counterfeit visas or misleading information about visa requirements and processing times. By verifying the legitimacy of your visa before making any travel arrangements, you can protect yourself from falling victim to such scams and avoid potential legal and financial consequences. Additionally, ensuring that your visa is valid and authentic ensures a smooth and hassle-free travel experience, allowing you to enjoy your trip to Dubai without any worries or complications. The icp.gov.ae is the official site for checking the validity. Head to the Dubai ICP Smart Services website. Also for Dubai, there is a specific website. It can also help you to check your Dubai tourist visa status. Just open your web browser and type in icp.gov.aa. Navigate to Smart Service in Home page. Then click on the Smart Services tab and click on For More, and you will land on the below screen. Then click on the File Validity. Once you landed on the file validity, make sure to click on the passport information and visa to get the exact information about file detail on federal government system. If your tourist visa is valid, you'll see a message saying it's active. That means you're good to go explore Dubai. What if you are getting no results? You may check via the file number. In all attempts, you do not have any status. You need to call +97 143 139999 or contact your tourist visa provider. Wakefield Research conducted research across Central and Eastern Europe, the Middle East and Africa, (CEMEA), and Visa's 2023 Stay Secure study finds that just over 1 in 2 people, 54% in the Dubai, has been a victim of a scam at least once compared to the global average of 52%. Even more alarming is that 17% of the victims have been tricked multiple times, against the global average of 15%. When it's come to Dubai tourist visa, there are many scam stories, and one common tactic involves fake travel agencies or online platforms offering unbelievably cheap visa packages. These scams lure tourists in with promises of expedited visa processing or guaranteed approvals at rock-bottom prices. However, once the payment is made, victims either receive counterfeit visa documents or no response at all. In some cases, tourists arrive in Dubai only to find out upon arrival that their visa is invalid or non-existent, leading to deportation and financial losses. Another scam involves visa agents processing the visa first, and then once the visa approved, asking big fee for insurance or demand visitors with extra fee to send the visa. To avoid falling victim to these scams, tourists should always use reputable and licensed travel agencies. Thoroughly research visa requirements and fees. To avoid falling victim to such scams and to choose the right agency for obtaining a tourist visa, start by researching reputable agencies online. Look for reviews and feedback from previous customers' websites like TripAdvisor or travel forums can be helpful in identifying trustworthy agencies, and seek recommendations from friends, family, or colleagues who have previously traveled to Dubai. Personal referrals can often lead you to reliable agencies. Also ensure that the agency is licensed and accredited by relevant authorities. This information should be readily available on their website or provided upon request. We hope this comprehensive walkthrough eases your journey and fills it with excitement. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips and insights. Thank you for tuning in, and safe travels.